Today, I'll show you 3 of the most powerful AI tools to create studio level unified content fast. Let's get into it. Tool number 1 is Pixlr AI Batch Editor. Now, I personally love this tool. Now, they offer a free version, but they also, offer premium paid versions. It's worth trying for at least 1 month, but as you can see here, you do get a 7-day trial. So try it for 7 days, use it thoroughly, use it extensively, and use it to its full capabilities to see if it's for you, right? But I'm just gonna show you with photography. This is some of my photography here. And let's open that. Let's add more photos. All right. Now, what's cool here is you can specify, if you want it to pop, if you want to apply a blur, if you want to sharpen them, temperature, which I think is pretty cool, right? You can give it all like a blue hue or a slightly red hue. So this just allows you to take a bulk of images, graphics, headers, what have you, and get a little bit more consistent with the look. Now, it does require some fine tuning and some tweaking, but it's one of my favorite tools because it's so simple. I love how simple the interface is. It's not, so in depth. It doesn't require a login, right? But let's go to Picsart here. Now, this one's a bit more involved, as you can see, and they really want us to upgrade almost immediately. You can set your custom size if you want to create. This definitely feels more like a Canva to me, but it allows you to optimize things with much more control, and then also add your brand kit here. So this is, your logos, your fonts, your colors, etc., templates. And this is primarily used to train Picsart's AI to understand your brand style by pulling directly from your brand kit. So I won't give a demo here. You test it out. Let me know what you think about it. And then tool number 3 is Adobe Lightroom presets. Now, this technically is an AI, and this is primarily for photography. So if you have user-generated content who are posting photos for you, this is a great place to go in and make it brand consistent. And I'm just going to show you here a very underexposed photo. But once you go over to develop, you have all of these presets, and you can always create your own, right? The whole idea is you create one that's native to your brand and your style. But if you just wanted a quick example of the capabilities, right, it will apply this preset to every photograph we apply it to. So it helps create that consistency. Now, I know this technically isn't AI, but it is a invaluable tool for agencies as well as freelancers. So yeah. And I wanted to keep this video as short and brief as possible. Just to reiterate, my favorite tool is the first one, but based on your use cases and how you operate, you might find Adobe Lightroom to be a game changer. I'm not an AI expert. I'm building in public and sharing what actually works. If you'd like to see me cover a specific tool mentioned in this video, or even any tool for that matter, let me know who you are, what you do, who your target audience is, and what your question is, and I will add a video to my queue, custom tailored just for you. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. My name is Marcelo. This is Clearmud, and clarity matters.